If you're not getting fuel pressure at the engine's fuel rail, but you know the fuel pump is working, there are a few potential causes to check. Maybe you just replaced the fuel pump, or you've tested the pressure at the pump amp and confirmed it's functioning properly. Yet for some reason, fuel isn't reaching the engine. In this case, I'll go over the most common causes and fixes for this issue. Clogged fuel filter. The most common cause of this issue is a clogged fuel filter. However, the location of the fuel filter varies depending on the vehicle. In some vehicles, the fuel filter is inside the gas tank. In this case, if you're getting fuel pressure at the pump, then this won't be the problem. Other vehicles have a fuel filter located between the gas tank and the engine. If your vehicle has one, check if it's clogged. This is a very common issue that can prevent fuel from flowing properly and stop pressure from building in the fuel line. Since fuel filters require regular replacement, it's a good idea to replace it anyway, as part of routine maintenance, and rule it out as the cause of the problem. The fuel filter was installed backward. The second possible cause is that the fuel filter was installed backward. While this isn't very common, it's worth checking. Fuel filters have a specific flow direction, usually indicated by an arrow on the filter itself. If installed incorrectly, it can restrict fuel flow, leading to poor fuel pressure or preventing the engine from running altogether. In some cases, the vehicle might still run, but with reduced performance. If you've recently had the fuel filter replaced, double-check that it's installed in the correct orientation to rule this out as a possible issue. Faulty fuel pressure regulator. The next potential cause is a faulty fuel pressure regulator. Not all vehicles have one, but if yours does, it's worth checking. While a fuel pressure regulator typically doesn't completely block fuel flow, a malfunctioning one can disrupt proper fuel pressure. It may cause low fuel pressure, fuel starvation, or erratic engine performance. If you're experiencing fuel delivery issues, consider testing or replacing the fuel pressure regulator to rule it out as a possible cause. Clogged fuel line. Another possible cause is a clogged fuel line. While not very common, it can happen, especially in older vehicles or those with rusty fuel tanks. Debris, rust particles, or contaminants can sometimes make their way past the fuel filter and into the fuel lines, leading to blockages. If you have an older vehicle or suspect that something entered the fuel tank, it's worth checking the fuel lines for clogs or restrictions. So, the fourth possible cause is a clogged fuel line restricting fuel flow to the engine. Leak in the fuel line. Another possible cause is a leak in the fuel line, which is fairly common, especially in older vehicles. Fuel lines can become rusted, corroded, or rub against other components, eventually leading to small leaks. If there's a fuel leak, you'll often notice a gas puddle under the vehicle, which can help pinpoint the location of the issue. Sometimes, loose mounting brackets allow fuel lines to vibrate, causing them to rub against metal parts and develop leaks over time. So the fifth possible cause is a leaking fuel line, which can prevent proper fuel pressure from reaching the engine. So that pretty much covers it. If you have anything to add, feel free to comment below. If this video was useful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.